Welcome back to Wacky Engineering. Today, we're excited to show you our AI Word of the Day clock, built with a Raspberry Pi Pico, MicroPython, OpenAI, and 3D printing. First, let's check out our components. The Raspberry Pi Pico, an e-ink screen, 3D printed parts, and the power cables. Our initial step involved carefully trimming the supports from the 3D printed models. These components were designed in Fusion 360 and printed with a Sovol SV01 Pro. Now, we're installing the internal power cable for the external mini USB port. Just look at how neatly it fits. We chose an e-ink display top hat module for the Raspberry Pi Pico for its simplicity, low energy use, and the ability to continue displaying text after power is removed. Next, we're connecting the power cable to the Raspberry Pi Pico. Now, we're adding our 3D printed buttons, designed to interact with the e-ink display and control various aspects of the project. The screen slides into the case smoothly. We're really pleased with the print quality. We're now sliding on the lid to encase the components. And there it is, the completed build. Next, we'll discuss the programming and how we integrated OpenAI into our clock. Here's our MicroPython code, spanning around 750 lines. Let's plug it in and generate a word of the day. The Raspberry Pi Pico first connects to the internet, calls the OpenAI GPT-3 Turbo API with our key, and generates a new random word and definition. Displayed on screen are the date, word of the day, and its definition. This updates automatically every day at 7 a.m. with each new word sequentially following the alphabet. The side buttons offer additional functionality. One cycles to the next alphabet letter, another repeats the current letter, and the third, well, it's just there for show. This project was a lot of fun to design and program, and we are pretty pleased with the results. If you liked the content in this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.